The United States Senate is considering a comprehensive stablecoin bill, and the SEC is cracking down on cryptocurrency audits. That and more on today's episode of CoinSense Crypto Wire, your regular update of news and events regarding Bitcoin, Ethereum, the other digital assets, and the greater global geopolitical scene at large. Today is December 23rd, 2022. U.S. Senator Pat Toomey has introduced the Stablecoin Trust Act, which would allow several types of entities to act as stablecoin issuers and legitimize the use of stablecoins in payment systems. The bill aims to provide a comprehensive framework for payment stablecoins and guide Congress towards regulating cryptocurrencies. The bill proposes that payment stablecoins should be regulated by the Office of the Comptroller of the Currency and would require stablecoin issuers to back their stablecoins with high-quality liquid assets. The Stablecoin Trust Act is intended to encourage competition and prevent the United States Federal Reserve from blocking future legislation on stablecoins. The legislation also includes privacy requirements such as the exclusion of digital assets from Bank Secrecy Act requirements and the exemption of private transactions from reporting requirements. The cryptocurrency exchange OKX has released a second proof of reserves report, which allows users to verify that the platform has sufficient assets to handle customer withdrawals. The report is intended to prove that OKX is not lending out customer funds and has the assets it claims to hold. OKX plans to release a proof of reserves report on the 22nd of each month. The United States Securities and Exchange Commission is increasing its scrutiny of audits of cryptocurrency companies in order to warn investors who may be reassured by proof of reserve reports. The SEC is concerned that crypto firms may be using proof of reserve reports from audit firms for their benefit, because these reports contain limited financial information to assess whether a company has sufficient assets to cover its liabilities. The SEC has warned investors and audit firms that it will consider a referral to the Division of Enforcement if it discovers any troublesome fact patterns. The Republic of the Marshall Islands has enacted a Decentralized Autonomous Organizations Act, which recognizes decentralized autonomous organizations, or DAOs, as legal entities and allows profit and nonprofit DAOs to register under the Limited Liability Company, or LLC, structure. The Marshall Islands will also create an investment fund to promote further education and training on DAOs. In November, the Marshall Islands announced plans to introduce its own cryptocurrency as a form of legal tender alongside the U.S. dollar. North Korean hackers, sponsored by the North Korean government, have stolen $1.2 billion worth of cryptocurrency assets over the past 5.5 years, according to South Korea's National Intelligence Agency, the NIS. North Korea has been using the stolen funds to finance its nuclear program, according to the NIS, who expects North Korea to increase its attacks on South Korea in 2023 and focus on stealing advanced technologies and confidential information. The country has been identified as a leading global player in cryptocurrency crimes, with the Lazarus Group being the most famous of its groups. BNB Chain, the blockchain platform developed by cryptocurrency exchange Binance, has reached a milestone of over 230 million unique addresses, surpassing Ethereum. To further grow its network in 2023, Binance plans to launch the ZK BNB mainnet, host hackathons and meetups, and work on improving its Web3 blockchain storage system to lower operational costs. The Pokemon Company International is suing Australian company Pokemon Pty in the Federal Court of Australia for advertising a new NFT-based mobile game, Pokeworld. The Pokemon Company International has requested that the court prevent Pokemon Pty from using Pokemon International's trademarks on the Pokeworld website and social media, and from launching the game or selling any NFTs using Pokemon International's intellectual property. The first hearing for the case took place on December 21st with Pokemon International's legal counsel present, but no representatives from Pokemon Pty. The court has stated that Pokemon International has a strong case and is seeking more information before determining costs or damages. You've just listened to the CoinSense Crypto Wire for December 23rd, 2022, brought to you by CoinSense.com, a free-to-use sentiment analysis website offering unique insights to the cryptocurrency markets.